Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best all-in-one fireplace tool sets, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Nalone 5 Pieces Fireplace Tools Set. Transform your fire experience with the Nalone 5 Pieces Fireplace Tools Set. Imagine cozy evenings with loved ones, where warmth and comfort are enhanced by stylish yet functional tools. This heavy-duty wrought iron set complements both indoor and outdoor spaces, ensuring you can tend to your fire with confidence. Picture the crackle of logs and the soft glow illuminating your gatherings, creating cherished memories that linger in the heart. Each tool is crafted to provide ease and safety, making your fire tending effortless and enjoyable. The elegant black design adds a modern touch to your fireplace, inviting everyone to gather closer. This set not only serves a practical purpose but also brings a sense of serenity and joy to your home. Elevate your fireplace experience with Nalone and make every moment around the fire truly special. Number 2. Comfy Home Fireplace Tools Set 5 Pieces. Elevate your fire experience with the Comfy Home Fireplace Tools Set 5 Pieces. Picture the warmth and glow of a crackling fire, shared with loved ones, all enhanced by a beautiful and functional tool set. This collection transforms your fireplace into a stunning centerpiece while ensuring safety and ease. The ergonomic handle provides comfort, allowing you to tend to the flames effortlessly. Each tool is crafted from durable wrought iron, designed to withstand the heat and demands of both indoor and outdoor settings. This modern fireplace kit not only emphasizes style but also enhances your fire rituals, bringing joy to every gathering. Embrace cozy nights and create lasting memories, as this sleek set complements your home decor and invites family and friends to gather around the warmth. Rediscover the magic of your fireplace with Comfy Home, and let every moment shine. Number 3. Tongoko Fireplace Tools Set 4 Pieces 30-inch Black Wrought Iron. Elevate your fireplace experience with the Tongoko Fireplace Tools Set 4 Pieces 30-inch Black Wrought Iron. Imagine the warmth of a crackling fire and the charming ambience it creates in your home. This beautifully crafted set brings style and elegance while ensuring every fire is tended to with care. Each piece in this collection, from the chimney poker to the antique shovel, is designed to complement both outdoor and indoor settings, uniting functionality with exquisite craftsmanship. The rustic brush smoothly clears away ashes, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. This essential set transforms the mundane task of fire maintenance into a delightful ritual, inviting you to gather around with family and friends. Feel the joy of warmth, laughter, and lasting memories as you create a welcoming space that draws everyone in. Turn your fireplace into a beloved centerpiece. Number 4. 2WZ Flamely 5-Piece Fireplace Tools Set. Enhance your cozy moments with the remarkable 2WZ Flamely 5-Piece Fireplace Tools Set. Imagine wrapping yourself in warmth while the crackling fire dances before you, set against a backdrop of cherished memories. This elegant collection features everything you need to tend your fire safely and stylishly, allowing you to effortlessly create a welcoming environment. Picture yourself elegantly using the sturdy tongs to handle logs, or the brush for quick cleanups, all while enjoying the comfort of your indoor retreat. Each piece is designed for durability, ensuring countless seasons of enjoyment, whether you are indoors by the fireplace or outdoors gathered around a fire pit. Elevate your experience and enrich your home's ambience with this essential accessory set, crafted to ignite passion and connection in every gathering. Make every moment by the fire unforgettable with the perfect blend of function and style. Number 5. Feed Garden Fireplace Tools Set 5 Pieces. Elevate your outdoor setting with the Feed Garden Fireplace Tools Set, a perfect blend of elegance and function. Picture yourself enjoying crisp evenings beside a cozy fire, the radiant glow bringing warmth to your gatherings. This beautifully crafted set, designed from sturdy wrought iron, is here to enhance your experience. Each tool brings a sense of comfort and ease, making your fire management effortless and enjoyable. Imagine the joy of tending to your flames with precision, your family and friends gathered around, sharing stories and laughter. With a stylish log holder, poker, tong, shovel, and brush, you have everything you need to create blissful memories outdoors. Let this fireplace tool set be the centerpiece of your outdoor ambience. Choose quality, choose connection, and spark joy in your gatherings today. Experience the magic of living in the moment. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.